came all the way through from Mumbai to visit us here, and welcome on behalf of College of Energy, Environment and Sustainability. Sandhya is teaching a very important course in our Green Buildings curriculum, which is a very important stream, and would like to see what her experience has been in teaching online, and you are one of the new generation young people getting this high-tech stuff going. So please tell us your experiences and why, if I'm an architect, get into this.
Thank you so much for inviting me here. I would say that it's a very innovative way of learning, because in today's world, when your schedules are very packed with this, and you are on your work job front and you still want to gain knowledge to it, so online courses are really effective, where you can sit in your comfort zone and achieve that knowledge. You have the ability and the flexibility to ask questions, your queries, get answers to it, and evolve in that whole way and get those knowledge to it, instead of going to a campus and doing it when your time schedule doesn't permit. And it's another way of using the technology in its right way to develop it further. So it's been a good experience, and the feedback from the students also have been very good, to really encourage to further take it ahead for me as a teacher also. So
one thing I found in this online things, people enjoy connecting to the people from all over the world.
yes,
So instead of one class of people coming in the class, here you can people meet from all
all
over
of
the
the
world.
world.
And I
Yeah.
think that is how you felt also. It is automatically going to give them a global perspective, because the jobs of the future are global jobs.
Yes. Right.
And but thank you very much, and you are doing a lot of advanced work, and you told me something about your solar for the homes idea. Can you
Yeah.
explain what that was?
Basically, it is that how you use this passive strategies in architecture. How do you use it at the basic level, so that the design is much more fundamental towards the environmental efficiency of it, before the active strategies get into place to it. So we help architects, we help designers, we help them to understand that how you could have basic thumb rules right in place, and the design is recalling to the site and the conditions and the climatic of that site itself, and you can then take it furthermore ahead to a better design.
No, this is very good, because people think solar means I have to invest a lot of money getting panels and all that. But what you are saying is that if I am a good architect, very much aware about all these issues, I can design it so-called passive solar by knowing the direction of the sun and all of that. And I will later give you the example of, I saw that real thing in Mexico City, when Dr. Atkin, who is a very famous renewable energy professor, and he showed me his house and how he has used all of these techniques in that house. In fact, even the shadow of the afternoon, he uses as a cooling effect. So thank you for bringing these ideas, and hope our students will really benefit out of this. And thank you for coming again.
Yeah, thank you for having me.